On Saturday, October 1st, at around 2:30 in the afternoon, a man was electrocuted to death in Baghmara, Balsri-Gitten main road. According to the sources, the two men were traveling by car from Tura to Baghmara. There were loose electric line hanging, and when they passed through this lane, a live wire that was lying on the road got entangled in the wheel of the car. One of them came out and tried to remove the wire, but unluckily electrocuted. The driver, who was staying inside the car, he was saved, and there is no reports of injury, and the incident is still under investigation.
Birong kati kata cuma ira, hong kata cuma
kata ya biara wa mai banara iko tharina nimung bisungde warang mai barang tharina nimung kata be indi mende